So guys, welcome to our channel once again. In today's video on our JAMB CRK exam revision series, we have here these 3 JAMB repeated questions to answer on the topic Divine Providence, Guidance and Protection. So guys, this video will be about provision. So in short, stay to the end of this video. Let's go ahead and start with the first question here. It says, God provided manna and water for the children of Israel at A. Brook Cherith, B. Zip, C. Wilderness of Sin, D. Massa and Meribah. So guys, the answer to this question here is option D here, Massa and Meribah. So that is for this question. Let's go ahead and consider the next question, guys. So we have the next question here, question number 2. It says, and in the morning you shall see the glory of the Lord. The glory of the Lord in the statement above was manifested when God A. provided the Israelites with bread, B. gave the Israelites water to drink, C. delivered the Israelites from the Egyptians, D. provided the Israelites with lamb. So guys, the answer to this question is option A here, provided the Israelites with bread. And that is for this question. So let's go ahead and consider the next question, guys. So here's the next and last question, question number 3 here. It says, Moses told the Israelites that the Lord would give them flesh in the evening and bread in the morning because he had A. had their murmurings, B. promised to feed them, C. seen their suffering, D. had their prayers. So guys, the answer to this question is option A here, had their murmurings. And that's it for this question, guys. So this is where we'll end this video for today. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're not yet a subscriber. Also, if you have any specific question regarding this video, you can drop your question on the comment section below and we'll be sure to give you a response. So finally, guys, we want to encourage you to join our YouTube channel community where we post major updates on JAMB examination. So this will help you a lot even as you prepare for your JAMB examination for the year. You can join this channel community by hitting the join button below and we'll see you right there. Thank you once again for watching this video and see you on the next one.